Every space holds a promise, doesn't it? A quiet invitation to simply exist, to shed the noise of the outside world and remember what true belonging feels like. What if home wasn't just four walls, but a breath, a moment where possibility meets stillness? This is where we pause, gathering light and thought, waiting for the day's slow reveal. It is less about design and more about discovery, finding the perfect echo of your own quiet heart. Where does the outside world truly begin? And where does belonging start? It's in the light, isn't it? This is not just a room, it is the canvas of memory, a place designed for quiet discovery. What if your space could breathe with you, to be enveloped by possibility, to find that perfect pause between yesterday and tomorrow? A sanctuary built on simplicity, yet holding endless dreams. What stories will these walls whisper next? We spend so much time moving, searching for a space that truly breathes. What if belonging wasn't found in walls, but in the way light falls? Imagine a pause button on life itself, a threshold where the outside world meets pure possibility. This is more than just a room. It is the canvas for your next chapter, a quiet promise of discovery. Where does the journey begin when every view whispers of what could be? It's not about having everything, but simply finding the perfect stillness to remember who you are. There are moments when a space stops being just walls and glass and starts feeling like possibility itself. It is where light doesn't merely enter, but transforms everything it touches, casting an echo of the sky within. What if home wasn't defined by furniture, but by the breath you take here? A canvas for forgotten dreams, a quiet space to rediscover who you are. Tell me, what stories will these walls finally let you tell? What happens when the boundary between inside and outside simply dissolves? This space isn't just built, it is conceived. A quiet invitation to begin again. It asks you to shed the noise, to find that singular moment of stillness where clarity resides. How do we build a sanctuary for the soul? By embracing light, by allowing possibility to fill every corner, waiting only for your story. Where does the journey end and belonging begin?